Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search inside Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials to access your messages and conversations. This ensures you have full access to all your chat history and search functionality. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat interface with various sections. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the Direct Messages section. This is where all your one-on-one conversations are organized, making it easy to find the person or group you want to search through. The left panel gives you a quick overview of your recent chats and active conversations. Now, simply click on the conversation where you want to search for specific messages. This could be a chat with a colleague, friend, or any contact where you need to locate particular information. Opening the conversation is essential because it allows you to narrow down your search to just that specific chat thread, making your results more relevant and easier to find. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a search icon or a search bar there. This is Google Chat's built-in search feature that lets you quickly locate specific messages without having to scroll through endless chat history. The search function is particularly useful when you're looking for important information, links or details shared days or even weeks ago. Click on the search icon or directly click into the search bar to activate it. Now simply type the message or keyword you want to search for. For example, you might enter a specific phrase, someone's name, a project title, or any keyword related to what you're looking for. As you type, Google Chat will start filtering the conversation to show you relevant results. After typing your search query, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The system will instantly display all messages in that conversation that match your search terms. You can then scroll through the results to find exactly what you need. This search feature saves you valuable time by eliminating the need to manually browse through lengthy chat histories. And that's it. You've successfully searched inside Google Chat and located the specific messages you were looking for. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.